Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗵𝗿𝗀 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. NYMEX natural gas price still affected by the negative pressure represented by holding below the bearish channel resistance at $2.30 level. In addition, break in its nearby support at $2 level. Expected downside target till $1.67 and $1.30 level indicate short-term trend is bearish. MCX natural gas price has started forming lower and lower low formation signals for the weakness in upcoming trading session. However, any break below 168 level, which act as a key support, will drag the price further down till 158 and 142 level in near term. On the way up, key resistance hold at 190 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.